Never skip this trick during the summer. Add 10 drops of peppermint essential oil to a spray bottle. Then add 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Next, add a small amount of dish soap. Finally, pour in water, close the bottle, and shake well. This makes an effective and natural spray for repelling wasps and hornets. The scent helps discourage them from hanging around the area. Get rid of wasps and hornets in just minutes with this simple trap. This homemade container works like a powerful scent trap that attracts insects even from a long distance. Take a tall container and pour in half a cup of water. Then add half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Its strong, sour scent works as a powerful attractant for wasps. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It reduces the surface tension of the water so the insects cannot stay afloat or escape. Stir everything well. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix again. Pour the finished mixture into an empty container. Close the lid and make a few small holes in the top. Place the trap outside, away from the area where you sit or relax. The strong smell will quickly attract wasps and hornets into the container, where they will remain trapped. Remember to replace the liquid regularly so the trap stays effective. It's a simple and practical way to enjoy peaceful time outdoors without unwanted insects flying around. A brilliant trap for wasps and hornets. I hang it a few meters from the terrace so I can enjoy meals outside in peace. Making it is incredibly simple. First, you'll need an ordinary plastic bottle. Use a utility knife to cut it about 1/3 of the way up. Insert the cut-off top part back inside, upside down. Then, using a soldering iron or a heated wire, poke 2 holes. They should go through both layers of the bottle. Next, add 2 tablespoons of white sugar to the bottom. Take some regular string, cut 2 pieces, and thread them through the holes. Now, bring the bottle out to the terrace. Finally, crack open a hoppy beer. I just bought the cheapest one at the store, and pour it into the trap. Hang it on a fence or tree, a few meters from the terrace. The sweet scent will lure the wasps in, and once they fly inside, they won't be able to escape. I prepare this spray, and I'm protected all summer long. You no longer need to spend money on expensive chemical-filled products. Just make this simple elixir yourself. Take a spray bottle and unscrew the cap. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Its scent is fresh, intense, and works instantly when sprayed. Next, grab some lavender essential oil and add a few drops of that too. Add a few drops of dish soap to the mixture. It helps all the ingredients blend well and stick to surfaces. Fill the bottle with water, screw the cap back on, shake it well, and it's ready. Spray the space around you, the patio, balcony, porch, or campfire area. Then just enjoy summer without thinking about what might ruin it. And if you're wondering what this mixture protects against, it's a natural spray that effectively repels wasps and other pesky insects that bother you during warm days. Hang a bag like this by your front door. It protects against dangerous insects. Have you noticed a wasp nest hanging near your home? The first thing to do is stay calm. Avoid disturbing these insects, as they can fiercely defend their nest and queen. Luckily, you can prevent them from nesting on your property. Let me share a brilliant trick used by a professional gardener. Next time you're at the store, ask for a large paper bag. That's all you need to scare the wasps away. When you hang a crumpled, oval-shaped paper bag near your entrance, it resembles a wasp nest. Wasps are territorial and avoid places where another colony might already exist. This simple trick makes them think there's already a nest nearby, so they move on. You won't have to worry about removing real nests if you stop them from building in the first place. Try this method today. It's an easy and clever solution that really works. A simple and inexpensive insect repellent made from hair shampoo. Safe to use at home and directly on the skin. Finally, you'll bid farewell to annoying insects trying to invade your spaces. And all thanks to a quick homemade recipe created from just 3 simple household ingredients. It will protect you and your loved ones from mosquito bites and irritations without harmful chemicals, and your pets from irritating bugs like fleas and ticks. You'll be able to enjoy pleasant outdoor walks without worrying about bites. This repellent works on flies, gnats, ticks, and mosquitoes. To prepare this homemade mixture, first measure about half a measure or half a cup of any shampoo. It can be any hair shampoo, whatever you have at home. Pour it into a container. Pour the same amount of regular vinegar into the same measure. You surely know that vinegar is irritating to all insects, but combined with shampoo, it doesn't have such an unpleasant smell for humans. It's also safe to use on the skin because of it. Add the last ingredient. Pour half a measure of ordinary vegetable oil. Mix all the ingredients slowly to prevent foaming. Pour the preparation into a clean spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply the repellent. Remember, it's safe for the skin. Use the mixture in places where insects are most common indoors. Also, spray the balcony, terrace, and entrance to the house. Insects will no longer be a problem. No problemem. This simple homemade spray works so effectively that rodents will avoid your home for many months. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 300 milliliters of hot water, stir and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. If you spot even a single fly, act immediately. It's a sign that more could be on the way. Instead of using chemical sprays, make the simple natural remedy. Pour about 10 ounces of water into a glass container. Grind a handful of cloves into a fine powder and add it to the water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. Then toss in some mint, and finally, pour in some vinegar. Let this mixture sit for 24 hours. After that, strain it through a piece of gauze. Now you can use it in 3 different ways. Pour it into a spray bottle and spray areas around your balcony, windows, or doors to keep flies from entering. Another option is to pour the mixture into a small container, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke small holes in the top. This trap can be placed near doors or windows. You can also soak cotton pads in the mixture and rub them on window and door frames to create a natural barrier. This amazing blend is an effective way to keep unwanted flies out of your home. A simple, natural method for a more comfortable, insect-free space.